when it comes to our finances, seeking professional help can sometimes be intimidating. So today we have Rebecca Johnson-Ellis and Jeremy Shephard of Anderson, Ellis and Shephard here to talk to us about bankruptcy and taxes. Welcome to both of you.
Thank you.
Good morning. So Jeremy, I want to start off with you because it's hard to believe that tax season is right around the corner. But I think a lot of people who are going through financial turmoil, they're really anticipating this refund because they either want to pay debt or they're looking to hire an attorney to help with bankruptcy. Is that kind of what you're seeing right now?
Yeah, I think it's an interesting time of the year because most people are thinking tax time come April, but many of our clients are struggling with drowning debt. And so this time of the year for them, that tax refund, it might be a lifeline, but they often don't look at the whole big picture and the fact that perhaps that money is not going to be enough to get them out of the drowning boat that they might be in. So we're kind of here to encourage them to potentially seek out professional help, bankruptcy attorneys, see what their options are. You know, we do offer a free consultation, as do many other professionals. And then on the flip side of that coin, you know, some people have a lot of tax debt that they can't handle, and you know, Chapter 13 bankruptcy may be available to them for that.
Yeah, there are a lot of options that you offer. So, Rebecca, why don't you start off by telling us why would someone choose to file for bankruptcy?
Well, there are a myriad of reasons. Tax debt is one of them. Most tax debt is non-dischargeable in bankruptcy, so they would want to do a repayment plan to do so. But other reasons might be divorce, medical issues, unemployment, and ultimately you'd want to file bankruptcy to prevent your seizure of assets, a garnishment of wages, protects your home as well as any bank account monies that you have as well.
Okay, and there's something different called Chapter 13. So how does this affect the tax debt?
Well, Chapter 13 is a great option in paying back tax debt. The reason being is that in the repayment plan, there's no interest or penalties while you pay that tax debt back. Also, Chapter 13 is great for people who are facing foreclosure proceedings. Chapter 13 will stop those proceedings from going forward and will implement a plan that will allow them to catch up those mortgage arrearages. Chapter 13 also would help individuals retain their vehicles if they got behind on the car, as well as also organize their other unsecured debt. Essentially, Chapter 13 allows individuals to pay a percentage or a portion of all their other unsecured debt, and then at the end of the plan, whatever's not paid in full would be discharged or forgiven.
Yeah, there are a lot of people who may be suffering from debt, and they're receiving all of those calls from debt collectors. That's something that you also help with.
Right, and bankruptcy effectively takes care of those calls because as soon as a bankruptcy is filed, nobody can call you, sue you, bother you, etc. So it's a good place to be, ultimately.
So what about Chapter 7?
Chapter 7 is the more traditional type of bankruptcy. Most people are eligible for Chapter 7. Usually you can keep your house, usually you can keep your car, as long as you're current on those items. And it basically allows you to get rid of your unsecured debt, which includes credit cards, medical debt, personal loans, and many other items as well.
Yeah, when we're talking about tax season, you're helping people to use their refund in a more efficient and effective way.
Yeah, effectively, I think that's the point of, you know, holding off on doing that, seeking out professional help, seeing what your options might be. You know, perhaps bankruptcy is not a great option for you, but at least you know, and there's most professionals will offer you a free consultation when it comes to bankruptcy.
Yeah, so it's all confidential, we know, and that's really important to the firm that you're with. So why don't you tell us a little bit about your customer service, because that's helped with your longevity in the community.
Yes, well, we do offer a free initial consultation, and there is no obligation to go forward. We just urge people to get the information beforehand. Don't wait, because it will probably get worse. We do have our location here in Grand Rapids as well as West Michigan.
Yeah, we're seeing your contact information. So if people are watching at home and they're thinking, okay, they are talking specifically to me. I've had these issues with mortgage payments and the debt collectors are calling me. Now is the perfect time to pick up the phone and just get that consultation.
And I wanted to mention on your customer service aspect, you said that we do try to get these things taken care of fairly quickly. A lot of times by the time people come into us, they've already gotten to the end of their rope and they want it done now. And we can turn one of these around fairly quickly so they can get the relief they're looking for.
Yeah, it's a perfect time to do it right at the beginning of the year so you don't have these issues going through to the following year.
True.
So, thank you so much to both of you.
Pleasure.
Great information.
Thank you for having us.
All right, don't go away. We'll be right back.